Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Huawei Band 7. First, unbox your new band and connect it to its charging cable. Allow it to charge completely, which usually takes about 1 hour. While it charges, download the Huawei Health application from your phone's app store. Make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is turned on and ready for connection. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Once your band is charged and the app is installed, open the Huawei Health application on your smartphone. Look for the Devices tab and tap on it. Then, select Add Device and choose Smart Bands, followed by Huawei Band 7 from the list. Your phone will search for the band. When prompted, confirm the pairing request on both your phone and directly on the band screen. This establishes the connection. After successful pairing, it's time to personalize your band. Dive into the Huawei Health app to browse and select from hundreds of watch faces to match your style. Next, complete your personal profile by entering details like your height, weight, and age for accurate fitness tracking. Don't forget to customize your notification settings, deciding which calls and messages appear on your wrist. This makes your band truly yours. Now that your Huawei Band 7 is set up, explore its core features. It automatically tracks your daily steps, distance, and sleep quality. Utilize the continuous heart rate monitoring and SpO2 blood oxygen saturation measurements for health insights. Remember to regularly check for and install firmware updates through the Huawei Health app. This ensures you always have the latest features and best performance from your smart band.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.